Hi, this is Teacher Jen from Camglish.com and welcome again to a new lesson on Essential English Pattern. Today we will discuss a new pattern, okay? But before that, let's review the last pattern we did last class, okay? And it is the pattern, is it alright to? So when you say alright, it means it has the same meaning with the word okay. Okay, so is it alright to? For example, is it alright to come with you? Is it alright to come with you? Okay, so now I think you can remember it. Now let's go on to our lesson, and our pattern for today is the pattern, is it possible? Is it possible? So this is a question. What does possible mean? When you say possible, it means capable of happening or existing. Capable of occurring or being done. So that means maybe it can happen, or something can happen, or could happen. Okay? So it is very, very easy. When you say, is it possible? Then that means you are asking if something can happen or could happen or is capable of happening. Okay, let's have some sample sentences. Number 1, is it possible that you're wrong? Is it possible that you're wrong? When you say wrong, that means mistaken or incorrect. Okay, again, it's mistaken or incorrect. So you are asking if it can happen that you are wrong. Okay, you are asking if it is possible, if it is capable of happening that you are wrong. Okay, so maybe because you're very, very sure of your thoughts, and someone is asking, is it possible that you're wrong? Okay, how about number 2? Is it possible that he cares about you? Is it possible that he cares about you? Okay, when you say cares about you, it can mean that someone have feelings for you. Okay, because he cares about you. So maybe that person doesn't give right or direct actions towards you. But maybe, is it possible? Can it happen that he cares about you? Okay, how about number 3? Is it possible that you misunderstood? Is it possible that you misunderstood? When you say misunderstood, it's very easy. That means wasn't able to understand. So that means, can it happen that you didn't understand? You weren't able to understand something? Okay? Number 4. Is it possible that they didn't send the report? Is it possible that they didn't send the report? Didn't send the report means maybe they didn't completed the report, so that's the reason they didn't send it. Okay, so is it possible that they didn't send the report? You are asking if it can happen, or is it capable of happening that they didn't send the report. Number 5, is it possible that you missed her call? Is it possible that you missed her call? When you say missed the call, that means wasn't able to answer the call. Okay, maybe you're doing something else. You're busy doing other things, so you missed the call. So, someone is asking if it is possible, if it is capable of happening, if it can happen that you missed the call. Okay? So, our sentences are very easy. These are questions. So, this is also answerable with a yes or no. Okay, now it's our time to make our sentences. Now, my sentence is it possible that you will like me? Is it possible that you will like me? So, I'm asking if it can happen that you will like me. Okay, maybe because I'm not sure. Okay, if you will like my personality. Now it's your turn. What is your sentence? Very good. Okay, so now it's our turn to read the dialogues, okay? So for dialogue number 1 and 2, I will be A. Let's start. I don't know why Scott isn't here. I don't think so. He's been here before. Okay, number 2. Would you like to buy these shoes? Yes, if you pay 20% today, we'll hold them for you. Very, very good. Okay, now let's go back here and I want you to memorize all these sentences, okay? Because they can be very, very helpful for you in expressing yourself. And don't forget to make your own sentences as well, okay? And please use this pattern whenever you have the chance to, because you can express yourself more in English. Anyway, this is Teacher Jen from Camglish.com. And again, saying goodbye and see you on our next class. Okay? So, before that, let's read the following sentences again, so you will not forget about them. Okay? Is it possible that you're wrong? Is it possible that he cares about you? Is it possible that you misunderstood? Is it possible that they didn't send the report? Is it possible that you missed her call? Very good. Now don't forget to memorize these sentences and make your own sentences too. So again, I will say goodbye and see you on our next video. Goodbye.